So hello, my name's Lance McCarthy and welcome to the latest in my video diaries. I'm here today at KO Park to have a fantastic conversation with a range of colleagues from our IT team and they'll be sharing some of their proudest moments shortly. Our IT team's got about 50 colleagues. They deal with about 600 different queries and issues and problems on a weekly basis, and they manage a phenomenal number of devices, more than 4,000 devices. They do a huge amount of work in terms of purchasing, configuring and ensuring that all of our devices work effectively, and obviously make sure that all of our clinical systems are up to date and effective as well. And then do some really important work in the background around security, keeping us safe, information governance, and a huge amount of cyber security work. But thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy what the IT team have to say.
Hello, my name's Stuart Hanlon. I'm the Head of Technical Services for the IT department. I look after the infrastructure team, the desktop support team, and the service desk team as well. Some of the things we're most proud of, I think one of them is where we're standing at the moment in KO Park. I remember when we first walked into KO Park a couple of years ago, and it's a completely empty shell. There's no desks, meeting rooms or anything like that. The only thing there was a table in the middle of the area where the estates team was sitting around, and we joined them and we planned out, sat down and planned out how we could make the most amazing space for our team, for the people. And then we had some challenges around that. We weren't able to put the telephony system over here because it was put in 1989, so it was 30 years old. So we went out and we looked at some really modern telephone systems, and we purchased 8x8, which allowed us to work in a much more agile way. We put docking stations in all of the desks as well, so we've got nearly 300 desks with docking stations, and staff can come here and they can book desks or meeting rooms through the meeting room booking solution. Another thing we're really proud of is some of the awards that we've received recently. So last year through the Healthcare Excellence Through Technology show, we received the Innovation Award, and that was us working in collaboration with the patient experience team and with the volunteers as well, where we put in technology to help our patients communicate with their loved ones during COVID. Obviously the visitors weren't able to come in and see the patients, so that's something we're really proud of. That's something that really made a difference to the patients. And we also came highly commended runner-up for the NHS Digital Cybersecurity Awards.
So one of our greatest achievements was the implementation of the 8x8 telephony solution. This replaced the analogue lines across the organisation. We've also built in call centres for our outpatients department to make it a lot easier for the patients dialing into the organisation. There are further changes to come from a telephony perspective. We've got the rollout of Alertive, which will replace the bleep solution. So we've just rolled out the non-emergency and now planning the emergency bleep rollout. So one of our other greatest achievements is the implementation of Cerner HIE. So this gives access to admissions, discharge and transfer information. We've recently taken radiology results live. This means that this is accessible to all our clinicians in all of the areas to expedite patient care. So we're really pleased to see that this is being utilised by our clinicians across the organisation. We had 10,000 hits in April, which is absolutely fantastic, and we are seeing increases on a monthly basis.
Well, what a fantastic team, and some absolutely amazing achievements that the team are quite rightly proud of. A couple of highlights from me and a couple of reminders linked to that. So the first of all, with the Alertive system, just a reminder for everybody to please sign in and sign out of your job role at the start of every shift. A huge amount of work, as you know, around the current procurement of an electronic health record, which is extremely exciting and really important for the organisation as a whole. So thank you to all of those of you who have been involved and included in the procurement so far, and in the next stages where we're starting to do some site visits. In terms of a couple of key updates, it was International Day of the Midwife last week, and it's International Day of the Nurse this week, and we've got some celebrations for both this Thursday, so please come along if you can. Some celebrations dotted around all of the main sites. This is Us Week for all of us, runs from the 27th of June through to the early part of July. Loads and loads of events over the course of 6 days. Please get involved. involved, and please support all of your colleagues in being able to attend at least one of the sessions over the course of the week. Thank you very much for watching the video diary, and if there's you would like me to come and visit your department and showcase all the fantastic work that you do, please let me know, or please let our fantastic communications team know. Thank you very much.